Good morning, everyone. Louis Sportslino, and today is June 5th, and is the morning ES call for E-mini. Big surprise in the job report today: 228 expected, and they created 280 plus. So, market not reacting like the other markets we expect, right? The bonds got to tick down. Look at the bonds; they go down and they tick down and make a new low at 149, below outside of value. Now they've rallied back a little bit, uh, and then gold. Take a look at gold. Gold spikes down, and gold spikes down almost $10, and now sitting down $7 lower. So. The initial reaction was that it's good for the economy. That would be, means that the Fed is paving a way to be able to raise rates, right? So, and then oil is a non-factor based on the fact that OPEC said that they're going to leave their output capacity where it's at. So it's probably why we couldn't go and rally past that 62 half that's been put in a couple weeks ago. What I got in front of you is the cash. If you take a look at the cash market here, and this is where here's the thing, all right? We're at 2094, about a 3 point discount to cash. For me, cash 2095, right here, these two yellow lines, 2095.75 to 2998.99 area. We've got to get back above that, or I think the market could be heading down to basically around 2078 in the cash, and then 2067. So this is important. Keep an eye on the cash area here. It has to get back above this first 2095, so called 2096, 2098. This is the XPX that we're looking at right now. All right. So then let's take a look at the fact that we got the value area high at 2105 quarter, bull bear zone 2099 half, 2093 quarter is the bottom of value, and 2093 is the point of control. So this is what we got going on here. The market is down about 700 points based on the news, and that is true of all the sisters too, as we keep looking at them. So let's look at the 5 minute pivot. I'm sorry, we'll go over here. Let's look at the 5 minute pivot before I get to the. All right. So 5 minute pivot. Sorry, people. And all right. All right. 5 minute pivot sitting at 2098.17, which would put the cash about 2091 if we got back above that. We're actually trading at 2093 right now, which puts us right at that cash number of right below 2095.75, which is what I think we need to get above the first cash number to get some legs back on the upside. All right. So looking at the profile, uh, that doesn't look unfinished to me there, right? And right here, we're trading 2092.75. We made all these single prints down here on the number. We're down and rallied back, testing this 2085 area. So the profile, let's see the last time we've been in that area around here. Let me go back over here. Thing jumps around when we do this. So let's go back. All right, so we've got this area down in here, right? 2081 and a quarter, which would be, that's the area. If I'm looking at the cash at 2078 plus 3 points, puts it, a target at 2081 down here. Do we get one of those days that's a down day, trend day down, based on what's going on? Um, you know, they tend to like to sell them off because they didn't get the news that they wanted. But I mean, actually, that jobs claim was very bullish, and I think that really, if the market is reacting to that jobs number or the unemployment number, the problem is then there's the realization or expectation that they could raise rates. So And that seems to be negative for everybody views that as negative. For me, that's not a negative. I mean, we're at zero. I mean, how much more? What kind of flight to quality think we're going to be getting? So let's keep an eye on that cash number of 2095, and then the next one above that is 2099. So the long term target, which is about 1100 points from here, is that 2081 and a quarter, which would put us at the 2078 in the cash. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. We're going, when you take a look at a day chart, okay, we're talking, we're working on our second down day. All right. And then this is that, the area where we've kind of consolidated. And if you look at the bottom of that, that's that 2082, which would put us at the 2081 and a quarter, what we're talking about. So the possibility we could go down and test that area. Right now, as long as we stay below that 2096 to 2099 level in the cash, I think we're going down and test that area. So that's what we got. All right. We got gold down 9. We got oil basically trading inside value, but up from the lows. And we got the bonds making new lows. And the 10-year has volatility, looking at a 2.44 yield, which hasn't been seen in a while. So I just think that the Fed and we're getting ready, whether we like it or not, to get the rate hike, even though the economy still is sluggish. All right, everybody, stay with us on Twitter. Look for us on Top Step. Sorry about the video. A couple of days this week. We've just been a lot of things we got going on and growth factors around here, and getting ready to roll out some new programs. So we'll talk to you later, and good luck trading. Have a good weekend, and don't ruin your trading week with a bad Friday. Talk to you later. Bye.